Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Sky TV error code DUG1. The error reads, "There is a technical issue, please try again later." As per our research, the error comes when users try to access the red button functionality during a Sky Sports football match to select a different game. The error prevents the red button feature from working and shows the error. According to our research, the error may be caused by a temporary technical glitch with the Sky Sports interactive service. It may also happen if there is an issue with the Skybox or if the software is outdated. First, try resetting the Skybox as well as the router, and see if this helps. If the error still comes, then try going back to the TV guide and pressing the red button again. Some users shared that after trying this a few times, it eventually worked. So give this a try and see if this helps. If the error still doesn't resolve, then press the three dots next to the home button, then go to the Sky Sports app and try accessing from there. This worked for some users, so give this a try and see if this helps. If the error still comes, then go through the home screen, then find any game that's working, then check the score in other games and choose to watch live from there. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the software. If the error still comes, then go to the Sky Community forums to check if there are any updates related to any ongoing issues with the Sky services. In case there are no updates related to any ongoing issues but you still have the error, then we suggest you reach out to the Sky support and report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.